Živijo! Welcome to my vlog and welcome to LanguageSitter. My name is Claire Staresinic and I'm an American student from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. I'm studying psychology and German on a pre-med track, but I wanted to take this summer to enrich my education by studying business and entrepreneurship. I applied and was accepted to AmCham's European Experience in the Green Heart of Europe program and was placed here at LanguageSitter. Today's my first day on the job. I've learned about the company's origins and some of the incredible things they've accomplished in the past 5 years. After joining the team for a group meeting and lunch, I discussed the company's marketing strategies with Mart, the managing director. The best part of the day has been receiving some of my own language instruction in Slovenian. Hvala gave me these nifty note cards I can use to help me practice the new words I've learned. It's been so helpful to practice these words throughout the day with other people, and it's really helped the knowledge sink in. At least for now. I invite you to keep following my journey here at LanguageSitter. Stay tuned for new videos. Se vidimo jutri!